is my preferred time for outside DIY initiatives. It's not too hot and there's simply something approximately landscaping towards those stunning fall colors that I certainly love. If that's real for you, I've got a remarkable series craft for you to attempt. Whether or not you want outdoor or indoor crafting at some stage in the fall months, there's surely something on this collection for you. We're going to be running with rocks and pebbles and developing all types of amazing matters for decorating your life. From bathroom decor to out-of-doors residing, I'm certain you'll love these projects. Speaking of bathrooms, make sure to test out some bathroom hacks to get better prepared, too.
These stone candle holders are gorgeous and would be so easy to create. Choose stones that are relatively smooth unless you want the joy of sanding them down. You can decorate with paint or even Sharpies, and then hot glue them together to create the stick. Take a rubber mat, add some river rock or stones, and voila! You have a beautiful ocean-themed bath mat that will instantly transform your bathroom. Use silicone to attach the stones and make them secure. This is a project you can easily finish in a couple hours or less. How adorable are these hangers? Pebbles and double-sided tape. That's all you need to create these jewelry hangers and spruce up any bedroom or closet. You could paint the pebbles, too, if you wanted to match a specific color theme, which is a great idea for little girls' rooms.